Hi, hello, and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you a very good keyword analyzer. As you can see here in fair.directory.com, as you can see, it gives you every single thing about the keyword that you want to target. Like for example, here I wanted to target the keyword free AI image generator. And as you can see here, it gives me what is written in the people also ask part in Google. Like for example, if we will because these are the things that matters when you are looking for a good SEO for your blog or your website or your YouTube or whatever. You need to target these parts. So the first part is people also search for, which is this, and it gives you very good results and it scrubs the data. But also there is another one, like if I don't know, let me just check here. So there is a question area or a section, which is people also ask, and it gives you mainly 4 or 5 questions at all. So it's very good, and it analyzes it too, and it gives you the top 5 SERP results, because I think this tool is working with SERP. So it gives you very good uh, URLs, but also titles and stuff, and you can export the report as a PDF or a CSV. But also, by the way, they can help you. So when you send them your report, they can help you, and they send you another report with the best keywords and the best long tail keywords that you can use, but also the best, let's say, practices that can help you. So this tool is very good, and the best thing is it's free, 100% free. And also I think they do have Arabic version, so if you are Arabs, you can use the Arabic version also. But here it can work also the Arabic version of it. So this tool is coming from fair.directory.com. I will put the link in the description box and also in the first comment. So never mind, everything will be good, everything will be easy for you. And I will use this tool, or I am using this tool already. I used it since yesterday, so I will use it more and give you the best tips and best practices. But I wanted to do this video because this tool helped me a lot. And yeah, so thank you for watching and see you. Bye bye.